Geotechnical investigation services in Mahipalpur are essential for any construction project. These services involve studying the soil and rock properties of a particular site to determine its stability and suitability for construction. Mahipalpur, located in Delhi, is a rapidly developing area with numerous construction projects taking place. Therefore, the need for geotechnical investigation services is crucial to ensure safe and reliable construction. Geotechnical investigation services in Mahipalpur involve a series of tests and assessments to evaluate the soil and rock conditions of a site. These investigations help engineers and architects to understand the physical and mechanical properties of the soil, such as its bearing capacity, compaction characteristics, and permeability. By analyzing this data, professionals can design appropriate foundations, slopes, and retaining structures that can withstand the soil conditions in Mahipalpur. One of the major benefits of geotechnical investigation services in Mahipalpur is the identification of potential hazards. The investigations can reveal the presence of underground water, unstable soil layers, or geological faults that may pose a risk to construction projects. By detecting these hazards early on, necessary precautions can be taken to mitigate risks and ensure the safety of both workers and the general public. Moreover, geotechnical investigation services in Mahipalpur also help in optimizing construction costs. By understanding the soil conditions, engineers can design more cost-effective foundations and structures that are tailored to the specific site. This prevents unnecessary expenses and ensures that construction projects are completed within budget. SCON Design Delhi is a renowned firm that provides geotechnical investigation services in Mahipalpur. Geotechnical investigation services in Mahipalpur are essential for any construction project to ensure the stability and safety of the structures being built. Mahipalpur, a bustling neighborhood in Delhi, is witnessing rapid development and urbanization. As a result, there is a growing demand for geotechnical investigation services to assess the soil and rock conditions in the area. Geotechnical investigation services in Mahipalpur play a crucial role in the design and construction process. By conducting thorough investigations, engineers can gather valuable information about the soil properties, such as its strength, permeability, and compressibility. This information is then used to design suitable foundation systems and earthworks that can withstand the loads and environmental conditions specific to Mahipalpur. Additionally, geotechnical investigations help identify potential hazards, such as landslides or